This initial setup video is going to talk about age, gender, batteries, gift wrapping, and courier companies. We're on a product here that looks to be a pump of some kind for a company of bicycle tires, sports balls, obviously for sale in a retail store. This one's for sale for $16 it says up here. Now the areas we want to talk about and look at are down here in this part of the table. You may be selling products that have nothing to do with the age rating, or you may be selling something that never gets gift wrapped, or you may be selling something that never takes batteries, or you may be selling something that never uses barcodes. All of these can be turned off and you never have to use them or worry about them again, or you may want to use some of them, in which case we'll pop into the back end of the website, the admin section, and take a look how to turn those sections on and off. And then for the ones that you might be interested in keeping, we'll look at how to manage those. So let's come back up, log in. Logging in as a master admin. Here I am in the back end of the website, and I'm going to pop into the setup section, and I'm going to shoot straight down to the bottom of this setup section, and here we are with turning on and off the age, gender, batteries, and some gift wrapping. So when we talk about search display age and search display gender, that's on several of the front end pages of the website where customers are searching. So if you're never going to use age as one of the parameters to define a product, then you're obviously not going to have it in, you don't want it in your advanced search either. So it just basically takes it off the search page. And likewise, taking gender, this line here will take gender off the search page. The next ones are taking those elements out of the table that we just looked at, and this is where they all come out here. So you can just change them from yes to no. So this one would be turning off displaying that a particular product can be gift wrapped. A little extra note on this gift wrapping: if you turn gift wrapping off, so that when a customer is looking at a product on your website, it won't say the gift wrapping is available or not available. It just won't give any information on the gift wrapping. Basically, perhaps you're selling something that just nobody would ever consider getting gift wrapped. The important part here is, though, by turning it off here on this setup page, it obviously turns it off on the individual product page, so you don't get any information on whether the product can be gift wrapped or not. But it also turns it off on the internet checkout page for your internet customers. So when they go to check out a product and they've added to their cart and they're just about to click to go through to pay by credit card, there isn't going to be a section that pops up that lets them choose a type of gift wrapping or putting a note in. But just keep that in mind if you turn gift wrapping off, that it also turns it off on the checkout page too. Obviously the rest of the checkout page works normally, they just don't have the option of selecting gift wrapping, and you can't even see that there's even a gift wrapping section. Now, let's go check out how if we do want to keep some or all of them, let's go check out how we arrange them. So I'm just going to shoot straight to the top of this page by pressing the home key, and let's take a look at age first. We'll look at all these ones in this lookups column here: age, batteries, courier companies, and gender. So age, this is an interesting page because you can arrange the order, how it displays, by moving them. The move up and move down will arrange how you want to show this. So you could do the ages in using alphabet. Instead of writing the number 1, you could actually spell it out and then move it so it's in the right order. It's a fairly self-explanatory page. You can create them, you can delete them, and you can arrange how they're displayed. And that arrangement is how it will display on the front end when people go to search and they're selecting on an age. Now we'll check out batteries. Batteries similar, and these are the types of batteries that you might assign to particular product. Obviously, somewhere in here it would be a not applicable. If you're selling some products that did take batteries and some didn't, it's easy to just put it to not applicable. Same standard, edit and delete your current ones, and if you want to add a new type of battery, just click on add new battery and away you go. Courier companies. That's interesting area because this will link back to your internet orders after a customer orders online, and your staff at a store or warehouse ship the product and enter the tracking number. So they can select a specific courier for each item on the entire order, and then if they put the tracking number in, instead of the customer having to email you or call you with what's going on, that if the customer just straight logs into their account, they can track every single specific item they've ordered. If they've ordered 10 items and they're all in the same box and they're all on the same courier ticket, well, then it's nice and straightforward. But if for some crazy reason they've got 10 different items coming from 10 different places, you can actually put in 10 different tracking numbers. So there's quite a lot of flexibility there. You click into the courier and they'll have a URL that they should be able to give you, and the tracking number would go at the end of it, but you just need to find out the URL from whichever courier company you're using that needs to go in here so that the links will work nicely. Courier companies, same as the other lookups. You can add a new one there, you can edit current ones, and you can delete them. Nice and straightforward. The last one we'll look out will be gender. Very simple. Create them here, edit and delete them here. Gender, nice and straightforward. And that's it on the initial setup of age, gender, batteries, gift wrapping, and courier companies. Thanks for listening.